Hello. How are you doing today?
Hi, I am doing very well, thank you.
You look very happy this morning.
Yes, I am in a great mood today.
Did something good happen?
Well, next week is a very special week.
Really? What is happening next week?
Next Friday is my birthday.
Oh, wow. Happy early birthday.
Thank you so much.
What exact date is your birthday?
It is on the 12th of November.
That is a wonderful time of the year.
Yes, the weather is usually very nice.
How old are you turning this year?
I am turning 25 years old.
25 is a great age.
Yes, I feel very grown up now.
Do you feel older today?
No, I still feel like a teenager.
Age is just a number anyway.
I completely agree with you.
Are you going to have a party?
I think I will have a small party.
Small parties are usually the best.
Yes, it is easier to talk to everyone.
Where are you going to have the party?
I will probably host it at my house.
Your house has a very big living room.
Exactly. There is plenty of space.
Who are you going to invite?
I will invite my family and close friends.
That sounds like a fun group of people.
Yes, they are all very loud and happy.
Am I invited to your party?
Of course you are invited.
Thank you. I would love to come.
The party will start at 7 o'clock in the evening.
Should I bring anything to the party?
You don't need to bring anything.
I want to bring some drinks at least.
Okay, you can bring some soda or juice.
Are you going to cook food for everyone?
No, cooking for 20 people is too much work.
What are you going to do for food?
I am going to order a lot of pizzas.
Everyone loves eating pizza at a party.
Yes, and I will make a big salad too.
That is a very easy and delicious menu.
I just want to relax on my birthday.
You definitely deserve to relax.
Are you going to stay late at the party?
I will stay until the party ends.
That makes me very happy.
We can play some board games.
Oh, I have a lot of fun board games.
We can also listen to some good music.
I am making a special playlist right now.
You are very prepared for this.
I love celebrating my birthday.
What do you want for your birthday gift?
I don't really need anything this year.
You must want something.
Well, I do love reading books.
What kind of books do you like?
I like reading mystery and science fiction.
Okay, I will keep that in mind.
Please do not spend too much money.
A gift is a way to show I care.
Your presence is the best gift.
That is very sweet, but I will still buy a gift.
What was the best birthday gift you ever received?
The best gift was a bicycle from my parents.
How old were you when you got it?
I was 10 years old.
A bicycle is a great gift for a child.
Yes, I rode it everywhere.
My best gift was a guitar.
Do you still play that guitar?
Yes, I play it almost every day.
You should play a song for us at the party.
Maybe I will play a short song.
That would be wonderful.
Sometimes people give funny gifts.
Did you ever get a funny gift?
Yes, my brother gave me a pair of ugly socks.
Ugly socks? That is very funny.
They had pictures of my dog on them.
Actually, that sounds like an amazing gift.
I still wear them when it's cold.
We haven't talked about the most important thing yet.
What is the most important thing?
The birthday cake, of course.
Oh, you are absolutely right.
What kind of cake are you getting?
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Are you buying it or baking it?
My mother is going to bake it for me.
Homemade cakes are always the most delicious.
Her chocolate cake is famous in our family.
Will it have frosting on top?
Yes, thick chocolate frosting.
Now I'm getting really hungry.
Me too. I can't wait to eat it.
You will need 25 candles this year.
That is a lot of candles to blow out.
You need strong lungs for that.
I will take a very deep breath.
Do you make a wish when you blow out the candles?
Yes, I always close my eyes and make a wish.
Did your last birthday wish come true?
I can't tell you.
Why can't you tell me?
Because if you tell someone, the wish won't come true.
Oh, I forgot about that rule.
Do you make a wish on your birthday?
Yes, every single year.
It's a fun tradition.
We will sing happy birthday to you very loudly.
Please do not sing too loudly.
Why not? It's part of the fun.
You just have to sit there and smile.
Yes, and wait for the song to finish.
But the cake makes it all worth it.
Will you serve ice cream with the cake?
Yes, vanilla ice cream goes well with chocolate cake.
That is the perfect combination.
I'm so excited for next Friday.
I'm excited for you, too.
Wait, when is your birthday?
My birthday is in the spring.
Which month were you born in?
I was born in April.
April is a beautiful month.
Yes, the flowers start to bloom.
What is the exact date?
My birthday is on the 3rd of April.
I need to write that down in my phone.
You still have many months to prepare.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I usually go out for a nice dinner.
Just you and your family?
Yes, we go to my favorite Italian restaurant.
That sounds very peaceful.
I prefer quiet dinners to loud parties.
Everyone likes to celebrate differently.
What kind of cake do you eat?
I love strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, strawberry cheesecake is amazing.
It is very sweet and fresh.
I will buy you a cheesecake for your next birthday.
That is a promise I will remember.
Do you like getting older?
Sometimes it makes me a little sad.
Why does it make you sad?
Because time goes by so fast.
I know. We're not kids anymore.
But getting older means we learn more things.
Yes, we get smarter every year.
And we make more beautiful memories.
Every birthday is a blessing.
That is a very positive way to think.
We should celebrate life every day.
Not just once a year.
Exactly.
But the cake is only once a year.
We can eat cake anytime we want.
That is true. We are adults now.
We can buy a cake on a random Tuesday.
That sounds like a dangerous idea.
Yes, it's bad for our health.
Let's save the cake for special days.
I need to go to the shopping mall today.
Are you going to buy clothes?
No, I need to look for a birthday gift.
For me? You don't have to do that today.
I want to find the perfect book for you.
You are a very good friend.
I also need to buy a birthday card.
I love reading handwritten birthday cards.
I will write a very funny message inside.
I can't wait to read it.
What are you doing for the rest of the day?
I am going to clean my house.
Getting ready for the big party?
Yes, I have to wash the floors and the windows.
That is a lot of work.
I want my house to look perfect.
Do you need any help with cleaning?
No, thank you. I will listen to music and clean.
Okay, don't tire yourself out.
I will take some breaks.
I will text you later this evening.
Sounds good. Have fun at the mall.
Thank you. I will see you on Friday.
Yes, see you at the party.
Goodbye for now.
Bye. Have a great day.